If you're wondering if you can change these K2 and K5 filters yourself without calling a plumber, I'll go ahead and go through really quickly how to do it so you can see if you can do it yourself, or at least make sure you're doing it right. First things first, this filter has this blue dipstick which tells you when to replace it. So when that dipstick has dropped below the casing, the gray casing, it's time to replace the filters. Once you've got the filters, and if you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the filters you need. You can go ahead and come into this blue valve and turn the water off. Once you've done that, just go ahead and turn your sink on to get all the pressure and water out of the system. Take a firm hold of the filter and turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise to release it. Then put the new filter in and then do the opposite, turn it a quarter turn clockwise to secure it in place. Once you've done this, you can put the cover back on and then turn the water back on at the blue valve. The last thing you need to do is turn your water on and allow the water to flow until it is a trickle. This will purge all of the old water in the holding tank out, and then once it's gone to a trickle, then you can go ahead and turn your water off. Once you've turned the water off, it'll take about 45 minutes for that holding tank to fill back up again with freshly filtered water.